Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal my new Louis Vuitton purchase. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I have had this for a little while now, maybe about 3 weeks, maybe about a month, I'm not exactly sure, but I have been wearing it like crazy, and that's kind of why you guys haven't seen me so much on my Instagram, because I didn't want to share it until I did this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So here's the box that it came with. I have a long story behind this, but to make it really short, I had a pochette Matisse that I bought in 2016. My husband got it for me for my birthday. I actually think that was my first Louis Vuitton purchase ever. And I decided that I wanted to sell it because I never used it. And then I took pictures of it and noticed some glazing issues. So I sent the pictures to my sales associate, and sure enough, it was defective, and she gave me a credit for the price that it's selling now. So I think back then it was $1,600 and now it's like 18 something. So I ended up making out and getting more money towards a new purchase. So I was in between getting the pochette Matisse in the empreinte, I think that's how you say it, empreinte leather, or the BUMBAG, and you guys kind of helped me decide. Some of you guys were right and some of you guys were wrong, obviously, so let's just unbox it. I obviously could not wait for a real unboxing. I did film it, so maybe I will insert that in here, but here it is. You guys might be able to tell by the shape of it, but I'm so excited to show you guys. Oh my god. Yes. The LV BUMBAG with the beautiful vachetta leather. Here he is. I'm calling it a he because I think it's a boy. So anyway. Yes, you guys, I have been lusting over this freaking thing forever, since I saw it, and I just wasn't so sure about it. I said, oh, I don't want this to be like a trendy thing, even though it's totally a trendy thing right now. I just thought, like, I didn't want to only wear it for like a few years and then hate it after, or not want to reach for it, whatever. But after doing a lot of research and talking to a ton of my friends on Instagram, by the way, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow me over there. I post outfit inspos, all my bags and shoes of the day and all stuff like that. So definitely check me out. My name on there is trendythread_. I'm gonna leave it somewhere down below. But yes, I'm finally gonna be able to post pictures with this, and I can't wait to show you guys how I've been wearing it. So I find that there's so many different ways that you can wear it. Obviously they're traditional around the waist, which actually looks good on me. I've seen a lot of people say that they can't wear it. Maybe they're too short or too petite, but it fits me perfectly. I'm 5'7" for reference. And so yeah, I could wear it like that. That's definitely not my favorite way, but it's a cool way, especially if you're traveling or with the kids or anything like that. But my favorite way is like a high crossbody like this against my chest. I also love to wear it like on the side like this, like a shoulder bag. It just hugs the body like just perfectly. You can also adjust the strap to be a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, and then wear it longer crossbody. So if it was a little bit longer, I could sit like a little lower than that. And you can also like just swing it behind your back, like crossbody behind the back if you don't want it to be in the way. Sometimes I do that when I'm holding the baby and it looks cute like that. And I just honestly feel like it's such a good piece, especially for moms. Anybody can wear it, but for moms, like, if you're a mom, you need this. That's it, like, you need to go get one because it's perfect. I'm constantly wearing it like this with the baby on the side. It's so weird because I even wear it while I'm driving sometimes because, well, I should be wearing a seatbelt, but sometimes I don't. Sorry. But yeah, I'll just like, I can never wear a bag while driving. It's so uncomfortable, but this just like you don't even feel that it's there, and it's not even heavy. And I do want to share with what's inside really quickly for you guys. So give me 1 second. I actually want to grab a sunglass case so you can see that that fits in it. So let me just put all my stuff in it, and then I'm going to show you guys what fits and all the other things about the bags. So there we go. Okay, so it features a top handle, a back pocket, which is my favorite. My phone goes right in there, and then the adjustable strap, which is awesome. Now, the one thing I have to tell you is, obviously, being that there's so much vachetta, especially on the strap, it's really, really scary. Like, I knew that was one of the reasons why I was afraid to get it, because I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, I'm gonna ruin it in 2 seconds. But I have to tell you, I did get like water, or I don't know, something on it, and what I did was I leave a thing of wipes, which you'll see inside here. I leave a thing of wipes in here, and the second I see something, I kind of just rub it back and forth with, the wipes are like 100% water, or whatever, 99% water, and I just rub it back and forth, and disappears. It doesn't make the vachetta any darker or anything like that. So that's a really good tip if you are afraid about dirtying or getting the vachetta really dark or water stains, anything like that. Okay, so yes, it has this zipper, kind of similar to the Palm Springs, except it's so much easier, like so much easier to get into than the Palm Springs. I was really afraid about that because as much as I love my Palm Springs PM, it's annoying to get in and out of. Even though it kind of like, it now is a little easier because I've been using it, it is a little bit annoying. So I'm super happy that this zipper situation is much smoother. The zipper's so buttery. There's 2 zippers on each side, so I just kind of lift it up and open it, obviously. Another thing that I like about it is I noticed that I don't have to touch the vachetta when I'm opening it, so that's also another good thing about it, is you're not really touching the leather so much. All right, so anyways, I can probably fit more in here, but this is what I normally carry, which is really minimal. My sunglass case, my mini pochette is filled really, really tight. My key holder, and the wipes that I was telling you about, of course, because I have a little baby, and even if I didn't have a baby, I would carry them just because of the leather, and it doesn't really take up that much room. I'm feeling something, oh no, and then my phone's in the back pocket. So even though it doesn't look like much, it does fit a lot. I have my card case in here, and then some lip gloss and money. And I honestly feel like you could, well, I know you could fit a full-size wallet in there, in addition probably to all of this also, because I'll show you. Yeah, definitely, you could definitely fit a full-size wallet. Look, there's like room right in that side. And like I said, it's so easy to wear. Let me see if I could show you guys. Let's back it up a little bit. Some mod shots. So yeah, this is how I've been wearing it. I can even wear it a little bit tighter if I wanted, but, or like this to the side. It's really so cool and comfy. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely look out for my next videos because I have a Gucci unboxing, Chloe unboxing, what else? Giveaway is coming soon. I'm doing a giveaway with a couple girls, sweetest, the coolest, and yeah, definitely look out for that. A Zara haul, I got some really awesome pieces from Zara. A couple things from the sale, not much, but mostly like the new collection. This blazer that you guys were going crazy over on my Instagram, I got that on sale. My t-shirt, my shorts, my whole outfit's from Zara. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.